Okay. Everyone comfortable with Telugu or English? Hello. Hello, please try to respond. Hello. చిట్టి క్లోజ్ డోర్ క్లోజ్ చేసేయమ్మా. హలో, రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. తెలుగు ఓకేనా లేకపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పుకుందామా?
English is okay.
So project is elevator. Everyone knows elevator, right? That is lift. We are using daily in our apartments and shopping malls like that. Okay. Elevator. Here I am taking 4 floors. Okay. 4 floors. One is A and second one is B and third one is C and final one is D. Okay. Here elevator is a sequential device. It can operated by clock and reset. Okay. Clock. Here inputs are clock and reset. Here we are giving requests. We have to give requests, right? Those are request from A. RA is request from A. RB is request from B. Bth floor. Bth floors means it is first floor. Okay. RC means request from C. RD equal to request from D. Okay. Here I am taking 4 floors, right? For that reason, I am taking a floor bit size is 1 down to 0. Here 2 bit is there. So there is a 4 possibilities to we have here. One is A equal to 0 and second one, one is A, B, C, D. These are the 4 floors. These floors are represented in 1 down to 0. Okay. Next, state. Here we are using FSM, finite state machine. Okay. Here we one is up and second one is D. These are the directions. If it is moving top, that is up direction. If it is coming to down, that is down direction. Okay. Then here we are using, first we have to, in FSM there is a 2 types of always blocks. One is for state declaration and second is for operation, that is for combination like that. Here we are using first state declaration in always block. If reset, for example, in initial stage, what is the position of elevator? That is A, that is the ground floor. Okay. If reset, if the design is resetted, then state will be A. Else begin. Here we are using case statement. Here when you are in some state, what is the next state? When the request is something, what is the next state? These are conditions for our state. Okay. When you are in A state, if the request is coming from A, then what is the next state? Already the lift is in A state, right? Then here a request is also coming from A, 8th floor. That means the state will be the same floor, that is A state. Okay. Then if the request is coming from B, then we have to move second state B. Okay. That is first floor. Okay. If the request is coming from C, then the next state will be C. Okay. Second floor. If the request is coming from D, then the next state will be, here we are using only state. Here the state is represented what is the position of next when we are applying some request. Okay. When these all conditions are when you are in A state. Okay. When you are in A state, the next states will be like this. The request is like RA, RB, RC, RC, RD like that. Okay. When you are in B state, okay, we are already finished our A state, then we have to move B state. Here we in A state, what is the direction? Then there is only one direction, that is up direction. Okay, here no need to apply use any direction, because in that case we are having only one direction, that is up direction. In that direction we are using in this code by default only. Okay, the default direction is up direction. Okay, the default state is A. Okay, likewise the default direction is up direction. Okay, when you are in B, here there is two possibilities, direction up or down. Okay, here case of direction, when you are in B state, the direction we have to use in case if you are in up state. Okay, then case one means this is the different concept to declaring case statements, case 1 and case 0. Okay, here we are using case 1. Case 1 means here RB equal to 1, here RC equal to 1. Okay, when RB equal to 1 means the request is coming from B. Okay, when you are in B state, the request is coming from B, then the state will be same state. Okay, when you are in the request is coming from C state, RC, then the next state will be C. These are the statements here. This state is nothing but next state. Okay, when the request is coming from D or D, then the state will be D. These are the next states. When the request is coming from A, then the state will be A. Then this is the down direction. When you are in down direction, when the request is coming from B, then we have to move to B, right? Okay, here whatever the request from according floor, then we have to move like that. Okay, then request is from A, then we have to move B. This is the down direction. Okay, okay, likewise we are using when the request is C, then we have to move C, and the request is D, then we have to move D. Okay, after here C is there, that is second floor. Here also we have to use direction, it is up or down, same like that, same the declaration is same as the above. Okay, here when you are in D state, here there is only one direction, that is down direction. Okay, no need to move up direction, that is the D is the final state. Okay, when the request is coming from according floors, then we have to move that floors. Okay, then the function worked in related state, the second always block is related to combinational block. I said right. Here we are using a combinational circuit to perform the operation. Here what is, when you are in some state, what will happen here? Okay, here the worked in related states. Okay, if the direction is, what is the default direction? We already mentioned the default direction is A. Okay, then if you are in A, then you are in A state. When you are in A, what is the possibility to move? That is up, right? That is the up state. Here RB. Okay, RD. Okay, here if you are in D state, what is the possible options to move? Only one direction, that is down direction, right? I am taking floors. A is the ground state, like that. Here we are having 4 floors. A is ground floor. There is no way to move down state. Okay, here D is final state. There is no way to going up state. Okay, C, D, like that. Okay, then we will move to next step. If you are in B state, then you have to select direction, right? When you are in up state, when the request is coming from RB, Okay, then you will move to up state. Okay, this is the default direction. When you are in B state, the default direction is up. Okay, when you are in RC, then you have to move up state. When you are in RD, there is no way to move up state, right? Then you have to move down state. Okay, when you are in RA, then you have to move up state. Here the direction is up, right? So then the direction is down state. Okay, direction is down. When the request is coming from RP, then you have to going to down state, because here we are selecting down direction, right? When you are in RA, then there is no way to down, right? So it will be going to up state. When you are in RC state, then the direction is up state. Okay, here RD, then there is no way to direct move, then that will be up state. Okay, when you are in C, then these case also we have to use direction up and down. When the request is coming from some floor, then we have to move up or down. Just decide what is the direction. Then RC, then you have to move up. When RD, then you have to go to down direction, like that. Here if you are in D state, then there is when you are in A, then only you have to move up, otherwise everyone is going to down state. Okay, when if it is in D state, by default floor is state. When you are in what is the state, what are the here floor is what is your position. When the lift, what is the position of lift, that is your position. Then the floor is state. Then we will go to elevator. First we have to make it set as top module, then check syntax whether the code is syntactically correct or not. When RTL means register transfer logic. The whole logic is transferred to register. It is also called as a designer intention. Here we will maybe designer intention. Okay, then we will move to next view technology schematic. Here the gate level code will be converted into LUTs. LUT is nothing but lookup table. I think you will raise one question, that is what is lookup table? Lookup table is nothing but memory based bugs. If you design any gate, then it will be for example, let us consider one gate and gate. Okay, and gate, just you write logic, right, like this: end of y comma a comma b. Okay, this is the logic. Then the tool will it converted into LUT. How it possible? When you are in, click on schematic, sorry, this RTL block, then you may have to see truth table, K-map, and Boolean expressions, right? What happened in the tool, actually the whole operation of particular design is saved in static RAM, and it will connected to single mux. Okay, what is the LUT? I am telling you, 1 minute only. Here LUT is means lookup table. It is a memory based mux. Okay, just this is the static RAM. Here we have a chances to apply 4 combinations. So we have 4 output values. Each output value is stored in the static RAM. Okay, what are the output values we have in AND gate? 4 0 0 0 1, right? Then it connected in here. A comma B are the inputs. These inputs are acted as selection lines. Okay, here in that LUT we have so many selection lines. Remaining selection lines will be grounded here. Okay, here we have number of data input lines also. Remaining data input lines will be grounded here. Okay, when you are selected 0 0, then the output will be 0. Okay, when you are selecting 0 0, then the output will be 0, like that. This is the functionality of LUT. Okay, so our code will be converted into like this. Okay, whatever it is here, then we will move to design summary or reports. Okay, then here we are able to see design utilization summary. This is the availability. This availability is related to this particular Spartan 3 XC500 device package, like this. This family is containing this much of design utilization summary. Okay, availability. Actually, this is the availability. If you want to change the family or device package, then it will the availability will be changed here. Okay, here in Xilinx tool, what are the number of 4 input LUTs are is nothing but area of our design. Here we are using 18 LUTs. This is the area of our design. In very VLS, in every VLSI design having 3 parameters. One is area, and second one is delay, and third one is power. Okay, delay means speed. Okay, delay, if the delay is increased, then speed will be decreased, like that. Okay, here what is the area of our design? Here the area of design is considered as number of 4 input LUTs. Those are 18 LUTs. Okay, then we will move to next step, synthesis report. This is the synthesis report. Click on that, then drag it down. Observe here. Here we are having frequency. Frequency is the only one of the parameter, and this is the setup time and hold time, input arrival time before clock, and output required. Okay, these are also comes under parameters. And here we are having delay, right? This is the final delay of our design. 4.38 nanoseconds is our design delay. Okay, then we will move to, we have to find what is the power utilized by our design. Okay, we have to find the power here, then go to implementation. This is the implementation icon, then click on here, click on plus more, then go to analyze power distributor. Okay, here we have a power here 0.081. This power is related C500, XC3S500E and FG320. The old power is then actually this power is consumed by complete family. What are the LUTs we have here? 9312, right? These LUTs are used that much of our power. Okay, that means we have to calculate the power for 18 LUTs. Then if the here we are 9312 LUTs are consumed 0.081 watt power. Okay, if it is converted into milliwatts, then we have to multiply with 1000. Okay, then it will be 81 milliwatts. Okay, milliwatts. Milliwatt. Okay, then here we have to find the power for 18 LUTs, then 18. Okay, then we have to use cross multiplication calculator. Okay, 18 into 81 divided by 9312. Here we are having power 0.51565. 0.1565. This is in milliwatts. Okay, this is the power consumed by our design. Okay, then we have to move to next step, simulation. Then click on simulation. Select our module, then go to simulate behavioral model. First we have to restart the design, otherwise it will be like this. No problem when you don't using reset. Okay, here Z and X are default values of our design. Okay, then click on clock, force clock. Then we have to apply clock values. Leading edge is 1 and trailing edge is 0, and time period equal to 1 microsecond. Okay, then reset. Here reset is used to system coming to known state. Okay, I am giving request from a state here, so it will be in all are in requests are 0 here. I am applying all requests are 0. I am giving request from A here first. Okay, then zoom to full view, zoom out. Okay, that's unsigned. Okay, when you are in A state, it will be shown like 0. When you are in B state, it will be shown like 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you are in up state, it will be 0. When you are in down state, it will be 1. Just we have to follow the floors and states here. Okay, then we have to release our reset 0. When you are in the request is coming from RA, right? Then what is the state? A. Then floor also 0. Okay, 0 is related to A state. Okay, then if the request is coming from B, then you have to close the previous request. Okay. When the request is coming from B, then the elevator is moving to B. Okay, the state will be B state and the floor will be B floor, that is first floor. Okay, when the request is coming from C, then we have to, it will cancel the previous request, then it will move to next state. Observe here, when we are applying a request from C, then it will be going to C floor, that is second floor, the state will be second state. Okay, C state. When the request is coming from D state, um, here we are applying request from D state, then the state will be moved to third state. Okay, here I am applying 2 requests at a time. What happened? Let us see. Okay, I am giving request B and okay. Here we are already in D state, so no need to move other states because the request is coming from D. At the same time, the request is coming from B. What is the priority now? D state. Why? Because we are already on that state. Okay, so the state doesn't change here because the request is coming from D state also. The elevator is in also D state, then the state will be third state. Okay. Zero. I'm taking both 2 or 0. When we are applying request from A and C at a time. Okay. Here, please observe here. We are applying request from A as well as C. What is the nearest state when the previous state is third state? Okay, the third state means here the lift is in third floor. Okay, the next floor, what is the next floor? Second floor. So the priority is given to second floor here. When we are giving request A and C also, then the priority is given to C because the when you are in third state, in that case there is a possibility to go moving down state. What is the first state when you are moving down? C state, right? Then the state will be second state. Okay, this is the simulation of elevator. Do you have any queries? Please ask me.
Mommy,
Everything is clear or anyone have doubt? Please ask me. Simply it is a elevator operation, right? Everyone knows elevator, how it works. Okay, here priority also mentioned here. When you are giving request at a time from 2 floors, then it will moving to priority base. When you are in when you are in upstate, when you make a request from down, then what is state floor coming first, that is the priority. Okay, hello, do you have any doubt? Please ask me, otherwise we will end this session. Your batch 3 or batch 2? Hello.
Batch 3 now.
Batch 3, madam.
Okay.
Next session is for batch 2, madam. Now they're already they joined, I think.
Okay,
Batch
okay.
3, if you have any doubt, means just clear it now itself. or else later you can't, again we can't meet once again regarding these sessions and all. So if you don't have any doubt means you can left. Batch 3 you can leave, ma. Anyone from batch 2, please respond. 419, 420, 423, 429 and 430. Only 406, I think. Only 5 people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 413 from batch 3 you can leave, and Sandhya from the batch 3 I think you can leave. 410 from the batch 3. Please stop your recording and you can leave. 426 from batch 3 you can leave. Please save your recording, ma. 410. Okay, save your recording and then you can leave.